Here's a certified 2023 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,